Hey y'all, it's Kita. So it's been a while since I posted a video, but I came back because I had something I wanted to share with you guys. So I was putting something in my daughter's room the other day, and as I was walking into her room, this scared the crap out of me. So I didn't realize that I still had this reborn. I've been working and I intended on keeping the baby, so I took down the advertisement that I had for her. And this baby has literally been sitting in this room for probably like a month, I think. Probably like a little over a month. All right, so I've decided that she's going to have to get relisted. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to reduce the package along with reducing the price of the baby when I relist it. So she's going to be coming with the dress she's wearing, of course, her. She'll have this bracelet, her bling pacifier. I'm going to include this full outfit along with the shoes to match, some diapers. She's going to come with the Chanel onesie along with the custom Chanel pacifier and a set of pants, and I think this is actually 2 sets of onesies, and of course this little certificate. So when she's listed, I'll put the link down below, and you can reach out to me there via the link. The price will be listed in the advertisement on my website once I put the link down there. Trying to think. Also, in the pricing, shipping and all fees will be included, so you don't have to worry about that. I will be offering a layaway, so if you need a layaway, the information will also be posted on the advertisement as to how you can go about doing that. But yeah, she's big baby. Also, please be 18 years or older when you contact me. I cannot do business with people's kids. I just can't. So if you're interested and you are under 18 and you see this video, please have one of your parents reach out to me. Other than that, yeah. But she is going to be posted again as soon as I can get this video uploaded and change her pictures. Yeah. And I'll also be sure to include all of her details as far as like her weight and the specs on the hair, of course, and things like that in her listing. But I had a bunch of people asking me about her, and I totally forgot. Like, I really thought, I don't know if I was thinking I had told her or what, but yeah, I hadn't been checking a lot of my messages because, like I said, I've been working, trying to get some things completed. But she will be posted again. But if you have any questions, please just drop them down in the comments. And be sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And share this video in case you know of someone who may be interested in purchasing a big reborn doll. I also forgot to mention, if you've already sent me a message in regards to this baby before this video was posted, please feel free to use that link in the description box to reach out to me again, as I really don't want to have to go back through all of my messages and contact people who may no longer be interested. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and chat with you soon.